I'm going to show this Platinum Sleep Tech Beautify pillow. Alright, we're gonna go through the menu itself first. So there you go. Gonna show a close up of how it looks like. Alright. At any point of time, if you want to read this, you can actually pause the screen and, have a closer look if you want. Right, so now we're gonna unseal the pillow itself. So, let's have a look. Right, so now we're gonna unseal the pillow. Alright. Right, so this is how it looks like, the pillow itself. It has this material which is very soft. Interesting. Alright. Alright. Interesting. So there you go. This is an overview of what the pillow looks like. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And if you'd like to buy this Platinum Sleep Tech Beautifly pillow, please feel free to let me know. I can sell it to you. It's made in Japan. Okay, very cool. Alright, so thank you so much everyone for joining by, and see you guys next time. Jesus loves you and he heals. Bye, God bless.